What's up everyone? Today is a super exciting day because I finally got my hands on this titanium white Galaxy Watch Ultra and we're about to do a full unboxing. If you've been eyeing this watch and want to see what you're getting before you buy, stick around. I'm gonna walk you through everything that's inside this box. Let's get to it. Alright, so first off, we've got the box itself. Samsung always keeps it clean and minimal with their packaging. Just a simple sleek design with the watch name on top. Let's go ahead and cut these seals open. As soon as you open the box, you're greeted with another box that actually holds the watch inside. And here's the watch band. So let's open this one as well. Box within a box. As soon as you open the box, you're greeted by the watch itself, and there it is, the titanium white Galaxy Watch Ultra, sitting right in front and center. This thing looks way better in person. The white finish is super clean and it's definitely got that modern futuristic vibe, but we'll dive more into the design in a minute. Let's just take a closer look. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Yeah, the white really pops. Like, it just, compared to my titanium gray, this is actually, I can't wait to get the bands on this and check it out. So let's open these ones up as well. And here's the bands. Nice soft silicone. The watch has got that the white bezel, and it's got that satin finish that feels really premium. And yeah, check out the detail. Samsung like literally didn't skip out on any little things, like these little details right here. You can see right here, the white. And that satin finish, very premium. The bezel is nice and shiny. And you can see the quality in the build right away. It's lightweight, but you can tell it's durable. Let's hook up the bands here. Just clicks in just like that. That thing looks amazing. Okay, let's power it on right now. It's powering up. While that's happening, I'm gonna wear this one on this side. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Yeah, it's just the charging port for it. But yeah, let's get back to the start of the show, the watch itself. The titanium white really stands out, and one of the things I love about the color is how versatile it is. You can dress it up and down, and it looks good either way. Plus, it pairs great with a lot of different brands. So the setup is pretty straightforward. You just need to pair it with your phone and you're good to go. But honestly, I'm most excited about trying it out, all the different faces, and see how they look with this white finish. I can already tell you that this is going to be it's a pretty head turner for sure. Just look at that shine here, it's amazing. Beautiful, beautiful detail. Anyway, so that's the unboxing of the titanium white Galaxy Watch Ultra. I'm already loving this thing and I can't wait to deep dive into these features and start testing it out. If you guys got any questions about the watch, if there's anything specific you want me to do a review on, just drop a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later in the next one.